Hey, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Instant Pot buffalo chicken. This recipe for spicy, creamy buffalo chicken is perfect to serve as a dip or in a wrap or even on top of a homemade pizza. If you're new here, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Kristen and I love sharing easy family-friendly recipes, and I love my Instant Pot. And you're going to love today's recipe. This recipe takes just a few pantry staples to create an incredibly flavorful, tender buffalo chicken. It's spicy, it's creamy, and oh my goodness, does it add flavor to so many dishes. It's a great recipe to prep in bulk and keep on hand in your freezer or in your fridge to really add some flavor to your meals. To get started, this recipe is super simple. The first thing you need is chicken. Today I'm using frozen, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use fresh chicken breasts or you can use chicken thighs or frozen chicken thighs. And I'll break down the different cook times so that you can ensure your chicken cooks perfectly. We also need to cook our chicken in thin liquid. Now you can use chicken stock, but if you've been watching for any amount of time, you know that I love to use pineapple juice with my chicken breasts in the Instant Pot. Pineapple juice not only helps to flavor your chicken, and it pairs really well with the buffalo flavor because it's going to kind of counteract that heat and add a little bit of sweetness, but pineapple juice also really helps to tenderize your chicken. And if you have had tough chicken out of your Instant Pot, pineapple juice may just be the trick that you've been waiting for. To my inner pot, I'm adding in 1 cup of pineapple juice because I'm using a 6-quart Instant Pot. If you're using an 8-quart Instant Pot, you want to add in 1 cup of pineapple juice and 1/4 of a cup of water, just for a little bit extra liquid. We're also going to add in some hot sauce, which is thin liquid, but doesn't account for the full amount of thin liquid needed for a 8-quart Instant Pot. So just add in 1/4 cup of water to your pineapple juice as well. To the pineapple juice, add in 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can use smoked or regular paprika, and 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. Now, if you are opposed to a really strong garlic flavor, simply omit the minced garlic and use a 1/2 teaspoon to a full teaspoon of garlic powder in its place. We're going to give that a stir, and then we're going to add in our chicken. You can use fresh or frozen chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I'm adding in frozen chicken breasts today. These are about 10 ounces each, so they're on the larger side. On top of my chicken, I'm adding in a 1/2 cup of cayenne pepper sauce, which is known as like Frank's Red Hot pepper sauce, and that's going to give this chicken that buffalo flavor that we all know and love. Now we're going to place our lid on our Instant Pot. Be sure our vent knob is pointed towards sealed, not venting. And to set cook time, it's going to depend on the chicken you have inside your Instant Pot. If you're using fresh chicken breasts or chicken thighs that are small, you're going to cook for 6 minutes on high pressure. Small chicken breasts are like 6 to 7 ounces. If you're cooking chicken breasts that are large, you want to increase cook time to 8 minutes on high pressure. If you're cooking frozen chicken breasts that are small, you're going to cook for 10 minutes on high pressure. That goes for chicken thighs as well. 10 minutes on high pressure if they're frozen. Today I'm cooking large chicken breasts that are frozen, so I'm going to cook for 12 minutes on high pressure. And you can find the suggested cook times based on the chicken and based on whether it's frozen or fresh in the directions. To set cook time, hit manual or pressure cook and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust to the correct cook time. Now, it will only take a couple minutes for your Instant Pot to come to pressure if your chicken is fresh. Because it's frozen, it's going to take a few extra minutes for me, but anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes for your Instant Pot to come to pressure, and then cook time will begin to cook. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally for at least 10 minutes. That's another tip to getting really juicy, flavorful chicken that's not tough. Let your Instant Pot rest. Do not do a quick pressure release. After 10 minutes, if there's any remaining pressure, you can then do a quick pressure release. Open up our Instant Pot. And inside, our chicken is nice and cooked. It smells spicy and slightly sweet in here. And we need to shred our chicken now. Now to shred your chicken, you can use 2 forks and shred, or you can use my favorite hack, which is a handheld kitchen mixer. Simply place your mixer right in your inner pot and turn to low. Now, because I'm using it on low pressure, there's not much juice that's splattering out. If that juice makes you nervous, remove your chicken breast from the inner pot, place it in a large bowl, and shred, and then add back to your inner pot to mix with those juices. That'll prevent some of that splatter. Once I've shredded my chicken, I'm adding in 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. That's gonna give my chicken a creamy, velvety finish and kind of balance out that spiciness from the red hot. If you are dairy-free or are watching calories, you by all means do not need to add the cream cheese. It's not necessary and the chicken is still delicious. Once you add the cream cheese, I again use my mixer and just mix the cream cheese into the chicken until it's nice and creamy and melted. And now to serve this buffalo chicken. You guys, the uses are endless. First of all, this made a big batch, so you can let it cool and freeze it in 1-pound storage bags for up to 3 months if you like, or you can stash it in your fridge for up to 4 days and use it in various different ways. I use it in pita bread, I use it in tortilla wraps, I use it as the base of buffalo chicken tacos, which is delicious. I use it to top homemade pizza dough with and cover with cheddar cheese after and bake. It's unbelievable. It's like a copycat version of a buffalo chicken pizza from Mellow Mushroom, and it's out of this world good. It's one of our favorites. I also serve this chicken on buns with coleslaw that I toss with ranch dressing, or you can use blue cheese dressing. And of course, everybody loves buffalo cream cheese dip. This chicken meat can be served exactly how it's prepared as a dip. I'm gonna dig in with some chips right now. It's so perfectly balanced. It's just spicy enough. The chicken is super tender thanks to that pineapple juice and letting pressure release naturally. And the buffalo flavor really shines through. You guys, so easy to make, so simple. It adds amazing flavor to so many different recipes. I know you guys are gonna love it. This one you must try. But if you're looking for good old regular shredded chicken breast, be sure to check out my next video where I show you how to make perfectly cooked Instant Pot chicken breast. I'll catch you there.